And you screaming. I mean,
oh my God!
oh! Hold on! Take the picture! Excuse me, miss. You didn't take the picture. Come here. I want to ask you something. Look here. Look here, baby. What do you see in my mouth? Seriously, come closer. Don't be afraid. Come closer.
No teeth.
Yeah. I didn't say I got no teeth, but under your head you don't got no brain. Look here. Hey, boss. Boss. Hold on. What's it? Hey, boss. What do you see in my mouth? Come close. Look here, boss.
Don't let
boss.
him breathe on you.
Yes, sir.
What do you see in my mouth? Come close.
Let me get you. What do you see?
Glass. Huh?
What?
Glass.
Glass.
There's kids now. There's kids now.
Hey,
Come
guess
on.
what? You know why I like you?
Yeah.
You didn't come and say the things you just do home. But anyway. Bye, let's go. What's this? What's this, bro? What's this? Hello? What's this? Hold on. What's this, bro? Hold on.
Get him right now. Get him right now.
Back on side.
Fight him. Don't drive it home. Don't drive it home.
Kids, do not try this at home, please. Do not try this at home.
No.
This is really serious.
Professional.
Okay, hold on. What's this?
Crunch.
I tell you what. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. A little closer. Okay.
Don't drive it home, kid.
When you so scared of me?
No, I don't like glass.
Okay, watch this now, folks.
I'm scared of
Watch
you.
this. Look here, folks. Look here. Look here. Glass in my mouth, right? Watch this. Look.
I am with you, sweetie.
Anybody got a drink I can help this with? I need a drink? Come here.
Somebody got-
Come here.
A drink?
Yeah. Hold on.
I got a drink?
Hold on. Give a drink. Give a drink.
Don't need a drink.
Yo, come. Don't get to him. He may drink it with you. Jubilee mode.
I got to
Okay, look here. Hold the mic. Don't be afraid. Hold the mic. Tell the people for real. Look in my mouth.
Yeah.
I see.
I see glass.
Okay, watch this. Watch this now. Watch this.
Yeah, mesmerized, hypnotized, and everything.
Tell the people what you see. No, hold on. Tell the people what you see. He's eating that stuff. Hey, hold on. Let me drink some of this so I can talk it out.
Thank you.
Can I let that check again? Hey, look at that. Okay, folks. Come on, give 'em a run. Come on. Okay. Woo. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the great Spider-Man.
Yo!
Yes, the great Spider-Man. Play that number 9 for me.